Hi, my name is Nicol Van Dyk. I'm a physiotherapist and clinical researcher at the Aspetar Orthopedic and Sports Medicine Hospital in Doha, Qatar. I'm originally from South Africa, but I've spent the last 5 years here in the Middle East. And I have the opportunity to come over in 2019 and present on hamstring injuries with NOVAVIA. Now, having recently completed my PhD in risk factors for hamstring injuries, I am a little biased. I do think this is an important injury for us to address, and it seems like it's still one of the biggest muscle injuries we see, especially in the sporting arena, but also for our recreational athletes and patients. So in this one-day course, we'll dig into what we know about hamstring injuries, but I hope to get a little bit more practical and really look at what I think is now a really structured, criteria-based assessment of these injuries. We'll talk about rehabilitation and what in our rehabilitation process can we use to really treat these injuries more effectively. We know that we have to perform some form of optimal loading. So how do we get there? Is there things we can measure that actually helps us to understand how to treat these injuries better? And then finally, maybe talk about prevention and whether our efforts to prevent hamstring injuries have been successful and how we can potentially improve it. So I hope you'll join us. It promises to be a day full of fun and really exploring what we know about hamstring injuries, but also how this field is progressing and what's the latest in really managing hamstring injuries effectively. Hope to see you there.